Guys, today we found abandoned NATO warships.
And now, in stealth mode, on inflatable boats, we'll try to get in there. It's starting to rain, which means we'll be camouflaged.
What kind of ship is that? I have no idea. What's left there? You'll see for yourself now.
They're just so shiny, so sexy. I can't believe it.
We need to wait for darkness now, because this is an active military territory, and this bay is periodically patrolled by police in a boat.
So, we're slowly moving out. Here's those ships. Look, guys, there they are. Damn, how many of them are there? We'll climb onto the biggest one.
The boat is designed for a maximum of 160 kilograms, and the two of us plus backpacks, that's already 200. I hope we don't sink to the bottom on the way to the ships. That's what I'm thinking about. While we were waiting for darkness, the water receded another 10 meters. This is complete shit.
You try to get in there for now.
My leg is stuck.
That's all. Enough.
Damn it. That's all.
Guys, there was a puncture. The corals were exposed at the bottom. There was a huge low tide, and those same corals punctured the boat.
Do you have glue? Do you have a keel?
Yeah,
A rubber keel?
yeah, off my shoes.
Damn, but if it falls off, the boat will go down in a second.
That's bad. I don't even know what to do.
Second try. We're going with a new boat, and we'll start swimming brazenly. Already in daylight.
Did the boat cost 260 euros?
270 euros.
But that doesn't matter. A strong wind has picked up now. This really creates a danger that we can be carried away to the open sea.
If you don't know, this bay, it goes straight into the Atlantic Ocean.
Vlad and I will now sail to reconnoiter, and then you.
I'm scared that the security will show up now. This is a NATO military facility.
That's it.
Here, guys. I made this kayak in literally 5 minutes. Is the pressure normal?
Yes, it's normal.
I'd say the quality is 10 times better than that boat. Do the seats inflate too? They're like armchairs.
These things, what are they called? A keel? They'll hold us like on rails.
This is really cool. This is another level.
It turns out that the kayak will be more resistant to capsizing.
Just like a shark fin.
Talyanik, take off your clothes.
It started, guys, history is being made. Infiltration of a NATO military facility. Life has never taught us anything like this.
The depth starts very abruptly. Literally in a meter.
The abyss is beginning. I got it.
Put your feet inside.
Vlad Urbanix and Talanik are moving forward to check, is it even possible to climb in there? Maybe the entrance is welded shut. Just look how the wind is blowing them away.
I hope they don't get carried away.
Yeah, they're just floating away. The main thing is to row. No, everything's fine.
Left. Left. Right? Yes, like this. Right?
To the left. To the right. To the left.
A kayak is fire for places like this.
Yeah, this is awesome.
They're probably having fun.
We're carried towards the ship.
We need to row more to the right, not too close to the ship,
I get it.
so that we don't get sucked into it.
Damn, this ship is just huge. It's just a monster.
Look how they're spinning. Maybe they're getting caught in the current.
There shouldn't be any current there now. There's some kind of sign there, but we can't read what it says.
It says 10 years in prison there.
We're doing well.
Your task is to catch the chain. Yes, like this, closer to the buoy.
They're almost there.
Look how treacherously the seagulls are circling. It's like they sense something.
The current is very strong here. We need to pick up speed. Catch this.
Almost.
The upper one. Now slow down. Hold this. Paddle. Just don't drop the paddle.
I need to put on gloves.
Listen, we can moor to the buoy and start from the buoy.
That's a good idea. It'll be better there, yeah.
Just make sure there's nothing next to it. Climb on this. Like that. Great. Now, climb in there.
Come on.
Stop. Wait.
He sat on the chain and is leaning on his leg.
Are we going to climb in the same way?
Probably. I can imagine how scared he is right now.
Don't touch that rope. Don't touch it. It won't help you anyway.
On his knees, imagine.
It's horrible. Plus, his legs are bare.
But why did he climb in without pants? It must be really hard for him. I didn't know it would go like this. He's probably losing consciousness from fear right now.
Damn, I hope I don't pinch one spot there.
Easy. The links come apart and come together with the force of pliers. He's almost there. Well, he picked up some speed towards the end. Come on. Come on. That's it. Great. Talyanik is on the ship.
Great.
Yes, that's it. Done.
I'll hold it and hand you things.
Okay.
You have to put it on your head.
Wait.
Like this. Did you take it?
Yes.
Take it. But I knew it. I can't concentrate. I'm stressed.
Get on the boat. It's all right.
Okay.
Let me help.
No, I can handle it. Now, pull me up by the scruff of the neck. Yeah, that's great.
Let me hold the second rope.
Don't worry. The boat is in my hands. Take this, wrap it around your hand tightly more. Stop. Stop. I think the boat is going down. Is it a radio?
No, it's a phone. Some kind of ringtone in French or...
But what?
I don't know. Let's get this up first.
Hold this, don't pull. A little more. Now you can tighten it. It scratches. Better not touch it anymore.
We're going to check the hatch inside.
Okay, we're waiting.
Now we have to figure out, most importantly, whether we can get inside the ship.
Just bend over here. Wow, an egg. That's cool. It's warm. Look, another egg.
Holy shit.
That's so cool.
This is someone's house.
We have to be stealthy here. We can be noticed here. We have to get down here, quickly down. This way. Then this way. And down. Let's go. Wait.
Shit. Is this okay?
The stabilizer endpoints have been reached.
This is normal.
Damn, this is a failure. You guys are too noticeable. It would have been better if you had climbed at night. The treacherous seagulls give them away. Look, what's going on above the ship?
So, how are you?
We're fine. How are you?
We're already on the ship. Everything is fine. You probably won't be able to climb up the chain. It's very difficult.
Is the entrance open?
We're going to check the hatch inside.
Okay, we're waiting.
Damn.
All the way.
And now to the right.
Look, it looks like the threads are stripped.
I'll open this. Shit, this doesn't lead into the ship.
Are you sure?
Let me go down and check. Hold this. Wait. Wait. Wow. No. This doesn't lead into the ship. Let's go.
That door, a few months ago, was open. It's locked from the inside.
shit, yeah.
Now we'll check the hatch on the second ship. If it's also closed, it will mean that someone was here recently and closed the remaining hatches.
No way.
What's there?
Seriously?
Was that a hatch?
Yeah.
That means they really did close everything. But we're not giving up just like that. We're going to try any way we can to get inside.
Pray that the breach is open here.
Guys, we've got a little hope.
Damn.
No?
The breach is closed. But wait, there's supposed to be a hatch up there. I'm glad. I'm really glad.
Let's try.
And the coolest thing is...
The fact that we can't be seen here.
Absolutely.
We're in the dead zone.
Good. The main thing is that there's oxygen in there. It's a ship. It's sealed.
There are cracks here, which means there's air too.
You think this is okay?
Sure, I'm sure.
I can't get out in there. No. In general, we could try, of course, but wow. Hello. Okay. Well, how do you think I'm going to get in here? No, in general.
If not you, then no one.
We can try.
Check if the airlock at the end is closed. Maybe... What was that?
Ship rubbing against ship.
Maybe it's not closed? Maybe it's open.
There's someone's pouch lying here. It's not clear what's inside.
So you're not the first one there.
There's nothing inside. No. The breach is closed. Now the cortisol level will drop a little. Okay. Well, potentially, I've climbed into tighter places, but this is generally at this exact limit. And if I can't open it from the inside, I'll climb back in. Well, let's try. Okay, how do I do it? Hands up or what? Like this.
No?
Let me stick my other hand through.
Is there even a way inside the ship?
Yeah, that's the torpedo compartment.
Guys, you can't even imagine how small the hole is. It's just unreal.
Damn it. It's fine. Don't worry, man. Could you crawl inside so I can stand on you?
Yeah, wait.
Let's do this.
Go up higher, I'll crawl under your feet.
Stop. Wait. Hold on. Crawl under me now.
I'll do it. Wait. Wait.
Yeah, that's much better. Right now.
Wait. A little more.
I just want to somehow stretch my legs. I can't do it at all. They're stuck.
Dude, if not, get out.
Let me try. Holy shit. Get inside weak. They're such bastards. Offended bastards. Losers. You have no choice but to close our crawl spaces. No, you have to close this one.
We haven't been able to get inside yet.
It turns out that after the last video, which Urbanix released, they closed all the entrances with welding, and they put locks on both ships. Imagine, through the torpedo compartment, no way. Through the captain's cabin window. Also, he's going to try to climb through the exhaust now. Do you understand that?
Through the exhaust, that's at least, without a crowbar.
Without a crowbar, you can't break this under any circumstances. Stalkers can't cross this line.
In fact, we're about to undergo an equally interesting quest, because we need to launch the boat. It's low tide now.
That's how crawl spaces happen. Actually, that's the truth. Sometimes things look so pretty in pictures, but in reality...
Wait.
What's a boat like?
It's okay. I took this.
Let's move on. Look, I'm throwing this out. It's open. Zip it up. There. Wait. Anyway, be careful.
I'm doing nothing.
No, I'm talking to myself. I'm trying to tie a rope around this.
Wow, that was dangerous.
Hold this. Wait. Give me the paddle.
I'm giving this over your head.
There, that's not our way. We need to swim out through the buoy on the left side.
Yes,
Be careful.
it would be a shame if we capsized now.
No, we won't capsize. Keep heading to the right. To the right. Like this. Yeah, great. To the left.
Be careful. No sudden movements, dude. This is unstable.
Shit.
We'll push off from this. We did it. Everything's good. Everything's good.
Stop.
What? We're swimming to the pier, right?
Wait, I'm about to dive in. Shit. Damn it. Paddle. What are you doing? Get out of there.
Wait,
We need someone to come over the corals and take our backpacks. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Give it to me.
I jumped a little early. Just a little. Didn't it seem that way to you?
you're right.
And the radio, that's it, the radio died. This is cool, but there is no radio anymore. Just take this from the back.
Those are those shells that we cut our first boat on yesterday. But chest-deep water is a decent depth. You've had a good swim.
It's a star.
What happened? Is that blood? Damn, what happened? Is that because of the corals? Did you fall out? Or what happened?
Wait, what's with this?
Show me your face. What happened?
Anyway, I was lowering our things, and my flashlight was shining like this bright. And because I can see everything well here, accordingly, I can't see anything here at all, and I turned my head sharply. There was just a sharp angle.
Was it on the ship?
Yeah, on a cargo ship.
The wound needs to be treated urgently.
Listen, it's not the most important thing. You don't care that I'm completely wet. And my 100-euro radio, it just got wet and broke.
Damn, it won't turn on. Is it possible to check the battery?
I can. Look, take a closer look. It's oxidized. It's completely fogged up.
It's full of water. Yeah.
You just need to throw it away.
Please write words of encouragement to this guy, because he tried harder than anyone else today, and he suffered more than anyone else. I think he will be pleased.
Hello.
Hi.
So, you're in Paris having fun with Kreosan now?
Yeah. What about you?
What about us? We're in Kiev.
You know, this is so cool. This is a dream, not a life. I'm happy.
Good. I'm happy for you. You say you're in Paris, right? With Kreosan, right? Good. In Paris, right? In Paris. You make cool videos, right? With Kreosan. You eat croissants with crepes in Paris. And you feel so great, right? But what do you say to this? Take it. That's it. Yeah. Take it. How do you like this Paris?